This is just a general indicator of what's been done to the boat. Things like this. I was going to start rubbing this down, and then I realised I'd probably put the video on. So this whole area was covered in this fiberglass filler, not rubbed down and just left. So I aim to rub it down, make it look pretty. Let's go. Good old trusty DeWalt sander, and not so trusty Milwaukee because it breaks down. I'm going to get a DeWalt one of these. Let's go. Okay, a few minutes with that, and we get this. Which is pretty cool. It's bloody filthy. Okay, I think that's 80 grit on there. Pretty good job. Looking good. I think a quick skim of maybe a filler, of fiberglass filler, to just tidy them up. I'm not sure what was here, but nonetheless it'll be gone. I'll be removing all of the extraneous stuff, like this is a fish finder bracket. I don't do fishing. Not that there's anything against it. I used to fish a lot. Just don't fancy doing it on boat. Well, maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Removing all of these with their mild steel screws. Rubbing down stuff like that. So yeah, floor supports, they're pretty much done. If we go this way, you see the faithful Land Rover. If you don't have a Land Rover, buy one. Some marine ply for my floor, 12mm, 8x4. That was expensive. 3 sheets of 8x4 marine ply is not a cheap thing to buy in 2025. So yeah, work carries on. I need to, I'm thinking, I don't know what you guys think, of routing the bilge out of the back here with a nice chrome fitting, sat there. Currently, it's routed out the side here. I'm thinking about taking it out. I'm not sure what this was, but it's been blocked up. So once again, I want to take this out, find the other side of it, which I can't find in the boat. Block that up nicely, get rid of that fiberglass hole. I'll probably do the same with this, yeah. So this was the original bilge. I think coming out the back with a nice chrome fitting would be good. Unless there's some marine reason why that shouldn't be done, let me know. She's gonna get dirtier and dirtier until she starts looking pretty again. So, oh yeah, it turns out that if you mix up fiberglass resin on a warm day, you must use less activator. I knew this, but kind of forgot. and wasted basically a whole pot. You live and learn, so I had to buy more. Shout out to East Coast Fiberglass Suppliers. They supply me with all of my stuff. Or maybe the CFS, whoever they are. Yeah. So we have some paint. So there's some gel coat. Let's have a look at this. Would say you can have a look at this. There she is, look. It's the right colour, isn't it? Yeah, should be alright. I'm tempted to rub a little patch down and just put a bit on to see what it looks like. Should we do it? What the heck? What do we have to lose? Nothing. Let's get the sander. Let's get the... do that quick wipe. Use the hoodie, should be right. We're not going to use 80 grit. Probably going to use 150. So 150 grit on the sander. Use that one already. Dirty. There we go. Look, it had these hideous fishing symbol things on it, and it was called the Enforcer. What a hideous name. Turn this down a bit. Okay, that's something I'm not looking forward to in the future, is sanding the boat for the gel coat. But needs must, I suppose. Ah, blue rubber's up there, look. The idiot put that up there. I'll use this. Okay, have a clean section. Let me give that camera a wipe. Ooh, come on in. It says stir well, but since we're only doing a little bit, I don't think we need to worry too much. Which we will do. sticky stuff. Bear in mind, I've never done this before. This is probably completely the wrong way to do it. It's the right colour though. That's a little darker, but you'd expect that, wouldn't you? So the rest of the boat was a bit sun bleached. What are we thinking there? I think I need quite a lot of instruction on how to applicate it, what the way process is, but we'll see. See what that looks like when it's dry. I'll speak to you later.